Hey guys, and welcome back. If you use both Cash App and Chime to manage your money, linking them up is the best way to move funds back and forth without dealing with annoying processing roadblocks. And I'm going to show you how you can use the two fastest, most secure ways to connect your accounts so you can start transferring money. So the absolute fastest way to hook them up is by linking your Chime debit card directly into Cash App. So you open up your Cash App on phone and tap the Banking tab in the bottom left corner. This is the little bank building icon on your current balance display. After that, from there, scroll the way down and then choose Linked Banks or Link New Card. The app will pop up a secure processing screen prompting for your card details, which will look like this. Then you just type in your 16-digit Chime Visa card number, expiration date, CVV, and your correct billing zip code. Once you hit submit, the link is established instantly. The massive benefit here is that you can now pull or push funds between both balances via Cash App's instant deposit network. If you don't have your physical card activated yet, or you want a backup routing fallback, you can link the underlying Chime checking account instead. So head back to that same banking section inside Cash App, but this time select Link Bank. Cash App uses a secure data partner called Plaid to handle bank authentication seamlessly. You just search for Chime in that pop-up list, select it, and then type your official Chime mobile login credentials. Follow the security prompts to verify your identity, and your checking account will sync directly to Cash App. Whether you choose the instant card options or the standard banking route, your cash pipeline is now completely integrated. If this configuration guide saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.